Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix GTA Online not loading or not working with some quick and effective steps. If the game is stuck or not connecting, first restart your PC and your internet router to refresh the connection. Next, check your internet and make sure it is stable and avoid using VPN or proxy because it can block access to GTA Online servers. After that, run the Rockstar Games launcher as administrator to avoid permission issues. Now, log out of your Rockstar account and log back in to refresh your session. Also, temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus, or add GTA 5 and the launcher to exceptions so they are not blocked. If the issue still continues, verify your game files through Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar Launcher to fix any corrupted data. Finally, restart your PC again and launch GTA Online, and it should start working properly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.